Hello crafties, it's Sandra again from Volifier. This is a little ad hoc vlog about being a creative, working from home, and yeah, this would really be ad hoc because I'm quite pissed off today. I've been working on patterns for the new winter collection. And the illustrator is like horrible with me. You know, every time I try to save a pattern, it goes kapoof. So I'm not really happy today, but I managed to make 4, and I'm really happy with that. But I feel a little behind schedule because I was supposed to have done that by now. but Adobe Illustrator, if you hear me, you got to step things up because you can't crash all the time with the pattern tool. Usually I try to stay away from the pattern tool, but I like to do the scatter thing, if you know what that is. So I do a brush and I scatter everything around and then make a pattern of it, because if I go in there and like move everything, it's, you know, all the sass is gone. So yeah, blah blah blah. So please send me some love because today I need it. Some, oh god. Hopefully it will end up well, but yeah, I think I might do something else for the rest of the day. Well, other things that's been up here in the studio is that I'm featured in design bundles bundle. Yeah, the little crafters bundle. So if you want to check it out, I will drop a link in the description. It's a really cute little bundle, and I'm so happy I was invited to join that one. So exciting news in the middle of the crash situation, so that's fun. Otherwise I'm quite overwhelmed. Not by the collection or anything like that. Of course it's much work and stuff, but I'm entered or joined, maybe it's called, a class with Cara Button a couple of weeks ago. eShop success, and it's really good, but it's like a little bit overwhelming for a creative brain like mine. So to suck all the things up, you know, it takes all the brain capacity. So I've been a little overwhelmed, and on Monday I start Renee Christine's Urgio class as well. So let's see how things go. So you hear it's quite busy here. So, but I keep myself occupied, you know. I'm that person. So have you been up to something, you know, joined a new class or something, or maybe tried something, or maybe you also is used to getting all this Illustrator crashes? Please let me know in the comments that I'm not alone in this overwhelm. Not that I wish you have this overwhelmed situation, but yeah, you know. I think it's important, being a creative, though, to step out of your comfort zone and join classes and get new perspectives on things, because when you are working from home, you can stare blind at things, and you know, you don't see the woods because of all the trees, or what I say. So it's really important to join classes and stuff. So I'm an affiliate to Cara Button's class, so if you are interested in a class that is focused on my pitfall, Etsy, it's really brilliant, you know. If you are like a person that want information in depth and you know, you like to think of how things works in the real way, you know, and not just do this, do this, do this, do this, and walk out the door. Then it's a class perfect for you. I'm always thinking about things, how things works, and I want to understand it in depth so I know what I can do to make it better. I just reopened my Etsy shop, you know, it's been asleep for a very long time now, and I'm trying to get back on the horse's back, and it's quite hard, you know, the Etsy world. Maybe you're an Etsy seller too. I'd love to know. Then maybe you can give me some tips because it's quite overwhelming, that part too, you know. I have so many shops right now, so you know, it's many things to juggle around and try to stay on top of, but somehow I always come back to Etsy, even if I never succeeded on the platform. Yeah, but maybe now, you know, with a new class and stuff, I'm starting to get a hang of it, what it takes, you know, to be to sell a lot on the Etsy platform, and I work in a little. I don't work. I don't know. We'll see. You know, working with CEO and everything, it takes so much time, and Kara's system, can I call it system? Yeah, it's system. It's really easy. So maybe this time around I will make it work a little bit better. So I'm very excited for that, but a little bit overwhelmed. And Renee Christine's Ergio, as I said, starts on Monday, and that's a work. It's like a challenge. If you're a creator that makes collections, it's a course for you. I don't really know what we are supposed to do, but I think it's streamlining and get your stuff together, you know, to make maybe more effective. I don't really know. It's quite exciting, but maybe I can tell you along the way what I'm doing there. So yeah, that's a little short resume of what's happening here in the studio. Otherwise everything's fine, you know, nothing new. So yeah, I'm thinking, you know, I'm always thinking, so maybe there's something I forgot to tell you, Crafty. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. Next week there will be a giveaway in my newsletter, so join that one if you want to get in on the giveaway. So that's a tip. But now off to the crashing illustrator again, and maybe a cup of coffee to relax my nerves. I really enjoy talking to you, Crafty, and I hope you leave a comment below, and if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my newsletter so we can stay in touch. And you know, you have to press that little bell to get the notifications when I upload new vlogs or tutorials and stuff like that. So stay tuned and see you later, Crafty. Bye bye!